over down the top here.
Yeah. Let's go. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you got tickets already? It's alright. Let's just get on.
On the left-hand side, the brick building is all that's left of what was the Sir Henry Wigram estate. This building is a replica of the Houses of Parliament of Westminster. There's the dog parade. Oh, there's the dog parade there on the left. Specialty shops, Casa Publica to our left. 15% discount on your meal if you show your tram ticket. Bell, coffee bar on our right will also give you a discount. This is stop number 17. This is New Regent Street. And I apologise to all husbands in advance for parking outside the Polished Diamond store. Sorry. Stop 7. Lovely Waffle House there on the left-hand side, along with Mrs. Higgins' Oven Fresh Cookies, always popular.
Bella?
We're about 2 blocks of journey. Look like an old English railway station with a domed glass roof. Fountain line the side. Shops charm. City is here on the right, slightly waistcoat on it, looks really cool. But your remembrance coming into view in the Christchurch City Mission Christmas Westpac Bank building. If you look on the ground floor by the Westpac sign, there's the right-hand side. We have an electric e-bike charging station. 10-hour conductor driver at the back there. It's got an electric bike. I don't know if you've charged it there, Ken, but it's a good thing to have in the middle of the city so people can charge their electric e-bikes. New buildings around us, laneways going through them, courtyards in the middle of the Casual Square, and beside into the crossing, there's fashion shops, there's eateries, and there's another city Fresh Choice supermarket down the end of the lane to our right-hand side. Coming into stop number 6. Looks to me like it's back down the tracks to our left very shortly, but first up we're heading into High Street. Government departments on the site that used to be the Grand Chancellor Hotel. 21 stories have been onto a big lane. Quite nice. There's 3 shoe shops with a This is stop number 11. This is the Art Centre.